Welcome back to another episode of FSS Family Highlights. Let's get up close and personal to find out what alarm clock sounds our folks wake up to each morning.
I'ma be on the next level. I'ma be rocking up. Wake me up before you go, leave me. Another one bites the dust. You can't touch this.